Exit, I'm out. But I need movement. I will stop the show and point people out if I have to. All right. So here we go. This song's called "Eyes on You." I need it from the get. I need dancing from the get. So if you're sitting down at the bleachers that you guys were kind enough to move over here, you should stand up for just this song. Just this song. You can go right back to those fantastic bleachers.
Wait. Oh, there you go.
We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. The numbers are growing. 4, 5. He's just going away. He's just leaving. Yeah, there we go. Come on. All right. Let's call Eyes on You. Okay. Where do I start? Good to go. Somebody in here was good to go. You were good to go. Everybody else, you're like a 2. I need you at like a 7. So we're gonna try it again. I've never had to stop a song twice. This could get good. Eyes on You. Take 2. I hate to, you gotta show them. You gotta show them how to dance. Because some of them may just not know. Okay, Nick.
Come here.
Sit up and cover this thing together. One more time for Mr. Nick Adams as he makes his way. Nobody's on board. Okay, you got it. You want to come up here and show them how to do it? Come on. No, come on. Come on. No. Come on. Break. No, don't push her. It's you. It's all you. Come on. Again, I got nothing but time. I got nowhere else to go. So this is it. Yeah, there we go. Give it up. Come on. Can we make sure she gets around? Who's in charge here? It's obviously not me. You're in charge? Okay, well, come on. Here, go over here. This show's off the rails. Yeah, pretty much. Good luck. No, go ahead. Bless. All right, tell them your name. Okay.
Shots. Like shots.
Easy. All right. All right. So, can we see the dance that you were doing over there real quick? Yeah. Now I'm gonna ask a little bit more of you. I need you to keep doing that for the rest of this song. So we got a fly girl on stage. This is good. All right. Embarrassment is the great equalizer, I've learned. I'll dance. I'm not above it. All right. Are we good? Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much. Happy birthday, Andy Care. Did I say it right? Yeah. Why are you doing all the way back there, man? We're up here celebrating your birthday and you're not even here. Wow. I like the shirt as you run to the stage. That's good. Running sucks. Well done.
Oh, he's coming up.
Come on. Come on.
He's coming up. He's coming up.
Give it up for the birthday boy. You guys ready? We gotta do it. It's a rule, I think. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.